If you have not subscribed my YouTube channel, please subscribe it and press the bell icon so that you get notified whenever I upload my next video. So my fellows, today the topic of my discussion is going to be digital energy meter. Be sure to watch till the end so that all of your questions are answered and you get the complete overview and picture of the topic. Let's start. This is our input side and this is our output side. On both sides we have three lines and neutral. L1, L2 and L3 are attenuated through potential divider in the voltage sensor block, while line currents are measured through shunt resistor in the current sensor block. The point to be noted is, we are getting analog output from the voltage and current sensor block. This analog output is converted into digital data through ADC, that is analog to digital converter in 4-quadrant metrology processor. You can see this is also feedback to the terminal block, making the energy meter transparent for the installation. The metrology processor performs 4-quadrant multiplication to determine the amount of active power consumed as well as the amount of reactive power loading the main. These calculated results are forwarded to system controller, which besides display and memory management controls the data transmission between energy meter and central data collection point. This transmission is done through RS485 interface. This interface can be designed for half duplex or full duplex. Now the question is, what is the difference between half duplex and full duplex? In half duplex we can send data in both directions but once at a time. And in full duplex we can send data in both directions at the same time. The example of half duplex is wireless, while the example of full duplex is our mobile phones. In full duplex, we require 2 pair 4-wire system, one for sending while other for receiving. In half duplex, we required single pair 2-wire system, that is for both sending and receiving. That's all for today. Thank you. Have a nice day.